Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a Mealycup sage plants, Salvia farinacea. The Mealycup sage, or mealy sage, is a herbaceous perennial native to Nuevo Leon, Mexico and parts of the United States including Texas and Oklahoma. Violet blue. Spikes rest on a compact plant of typically narrow salvia-like leaves. However, the shiny leaves are what set this species apart from most other salvia, which bear velvety dull leaves. The Mealycup sage reaches stature, heights of 60 to 90 centimeters. The shape of the leaf blade varies from ovate lanceolate to lanceolate. The inflorescence axis forms a blue, rarely a white hair. The truncated calyx has very short calyx teeth. They are dense blue or white hairy, so that the individual enamel teeth are barely recognizable. The bright blue-white flowers are slim and gleaming. The crown will be about 2.5 inches long. Inside the crown there is no ring-shaped hair strip. The first description of S. farinacea was made in 1833 by George Bentham in Labiatorum. Genera and species. P. 274 synonyms for S. farinacea. Benth include Salvia linearis, Cess and Mach, and S. virgata ortega. This plant requires fall or partial sun and will grow to 18 inches or more with good soil and will attract butterflies and hummingbirds. The plant is hardy to USDA hardiness zones 8 to 10. The plant flowers from June to frost. In the temperate latitudes, it is cultivated as an annual plant and used as an ornamental plant in parks and gardens, especially in summer discounts. It can also be used as a cut flower. Several cultivars are cultivated, such as Blue Better, Victoria with intense violet blue flowers, and Strata with white and blue flowers. Crosses between S. farinacea and S. longispicata. S. longispicata times S. farinacea are widely sold as ornamental plants, such as indigo spires and mystic spires blue. Mealycup sage is best in full sun. Grow Mealycup sage in full sun to partial shade. It adapts well to nearly all types of soils including heavy clay and sandy soils. And although it prefers good moisture levels, it is fairly drought-tolerant once established. It is an excellent plant for a flower bed and is often planted in groupings to create an attractive mass of color. The leaves have a grayish cast which make a good contrast to lush green foliage of other plants. Mealy blue sage smells good if rub a little in your hand, but if you smash it between your fingers, you can put it on a cut to clean the cut. You can also use the leaves as sage in cooking. Special care points for Mealycup sage include deadheading spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and monitoring for mealybugs, which can be a common pest. Regular watering during dry spells will keep Mealycup sage vibrant, maintaining its signature spiky blooms. It is a shrubby, clump-forming, tender perennial that typically grows 1.5 to 3 tall on erect, branching, square stems. Mealycup sage symbolizes growth and renewal due to its wood element, which is associated with life, energy, and vitality. Placing it in your space enhances rejuvenation and personal development. Mealy blue sage, also known as mealy sage or Mealycup sage, is a beloved perennial herb in Texas landscapes, known for its spikes of blue to lavender blooms. This hardy plant is an excellent choice for attracting pollinators and adding vibrant color to your garden throughout the growing season. Sage is very easy to look after. Simply harvest sprigs of young leaves regularly to encourage bushy new growth and cut back flowered stems by a third after flowering to keep plants compact. The Russian sage has a pungent menthol scent that is more noticeable when the leaves are crushed. Some people describe the scent as a mix of sage and lavender. Contrary-wise, lavender has a floral scent with herbal undertones. The scent is often more noticeable on the flowers of the plants. Sage may help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals due to its antioxidant capacity. Free radicals can cause cells to die and can lead to impaired immunity and chronic disease. The antioxidant properties of sage may help reduce this, but more research is necessary. Thank you for watching.